Hey everybody, this is Trevor. I am finally back with reviews. It has been such a long time since I've done one. I feel really bad. There's just been a lot of hectic stuff happening in my life and with family problems. Uh, I've been going to school. This will be my last year. Uh, yeah, just a lot of crap. I am sorry that I have not posted anything. I wish I've been way better at doing something that I've been interested in, but I, as I just said, or some other personal things. But I haven't had the time to at all until now. I haven't had the time to record anything. Last year I went to Disneyland and Knott's Berry Farm, which I should have recorded, but I didn't. Um, Maybe I'm gonna post a different video about what's been going on in a different time, but right as of now, I'm gonna do unboxing with BAM. This is just like Loot Crate, but different. I want to say thank you to BAM and Loot Crate. You guys are awesome. So I ordered this last month on the 12th, and today is September 8th or 9th. So it took a while to get here, but I'm happy that it is here right now. I am excited to open this up and show you guys what I got. So, got my trusty knife. Hope I don't cut myself here. Yeah. Make sure that is not open. So here we go. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from where the phone is now. Oh, another thing is I haven't had any good type of phone until recently this year and last. I got a Samsung Galaxy S9 now, so yeah, I hope my videos will get better. But anyways, I got a sheet that says BAM all over it. So first thing I got is some type of lady art. Uh, I don't think it is a werewolf. Let me let me drop it. Jeez. It is a lady in chains, but I don't know what it is. It might be some zombie or some type of animal, but there is no sharp teeth, I think, whatsoever on it. I'll yeah, a little close up of it. Yeah, it's cool. So the back says this is a authentic BAM fan art card featuring a unique sketch from one of our featured artists. This card is part of a set of 2 and a bigger set of 12. Collect both cards to make the set. Featuring fan art by artist Jason Miller. This is number 55 out of 20. I don't think you're going to see that because it's blurry. No, 55 out of 100. My bad. Yeah, really cool. Thank you, Jason. What? Did I offend you? Anyways, So, next thing I got. This is a pin, which is a werewolf. I think it's really sick looking. So, this fan art pin has been created exclusively for Fanbox and inspired by the artist's love of the fandom. There are limited amount of pins created. Once these pins have been made, they are valued and never made again. The Fanbox, the bandbox.com. I think that's where you can get these boxes if you are interested. Pretty cool. So I got a skull, which it looks like it is magnetic. So let me find what it is too. So I found a something. I do not know what it is. It doesn't have any belt buckle type thing for it, but there's a part to the magnet. Oh, there are a lot of lips at the back of it, which I think is interesting. It's cool. I will put that together in a while. Got a card that says level up. One of the items in your box is a variant. That means there are fewer made than the regular item. Please check your insert to see which one you got. Box number 8. There it is. It's just a card. Nothing at the back. Hello, child. Ooh. Ooh. So, this is pretty sick looking. Holy crap. It reminds me of those scary stories to tell in the dark books. But this is awesome. So, certificate of authenticity. This fan art print from our fan art collection is exclusive to BAM Box and has been hand signed by the artist. It is guaranteed to be authentic. Artist and print title can be verified at BAMauthentic.com using the corresponding box number. Adam MacArthur, BAMBox creator. So, I just want to show you the card and then the art one more time. It's pretty lit. Ooh, this is sick. So apparently this is a signed picture by the guy who played an American Werewolf in London. I do not know the movie. I mean, I do know the movie. I've never seen it, is which I meant to say. I'm sorry, but yeah, look at that. That is dope. There's a signature. So, mostly, so, with Loot Crate, what they do is, when you're done seeing it, they send you a card to see what you've got. So I don't want to read everything, but I'm gonna show you if I can. Prop replica. So I don't really know what it is. Sometimes it really might be better to have never been kissed. These lips from the 1988 cult classic The Kiss just might carry a curse with them. I have not seen that movie either. But yeah. Celebrity autograph. Yeah, I know, right? And then, yeah, mostly all of what I got, but I did not get that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It was awesome doing a new type of crate thing or box. I'm excited to put this in my signed collection of stuff. I hope you guys liked watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you would like. I'm not gonna make you to, or just do what you would like. Thank you guys for everything. From commenting and or like supporting in any way. My next unboxing will be soon. Hey. Dork. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Be safe with your family and friends wherever you are. I know that COVID-19 has been awful for all of us, but yeah, we'll get through it eventually. So yeah. Anyways, see ya.